Well, good evening. Karen on twice in one day. Must be some kind of record. Now, just quickly, something I thought of, something I noticed. Going back to what we had in the post today, the schwimmwagen and the schwimmwagen. Now, put that down a minute. Now, I already have one of each, a schwimmwagen and a schwimmwagen. I already had one of each model. So did I need another one of each? They came at the right price. That was the thing. They came at the right price, so I thought, well, I'll have a bid on them, and I got them, so I'm pleased, no problem. And then I started thinking, and then I hunted round in my spare room, or so-called bedroom, which is just stacked full of all sorts, and I fished them out, and I noticed this. Type 82 schwimmwagen, yeah, Type 82 schwimmwagen. Can anybody out there notice anything? Because you're all very switched on, I know. You're all very smart out there in model world, I know. Nice model of a schwimmwagen with driver. This one was made, it has a date on it. This one has a date. This one has a date on it. I saw a date on it of 1997. Can't think where I saw the date now. There. Copyright 1997. So it maybe made for after that. That's when it was copyrighted, this model. This one, on the other hand, I can't find a date on it. I'd like to know when this was produced. I would imagine sometime in the 1980s. That's my gut feeling. But this one, you get the driver, passenger, and an officer figure. Whereas the later version of this kit, they've done away with that. They just give you the driver. So if you want a schwimmwagen, the scale at Tamiya, look for the earlier model, because you get the extra figure, 2 figures with it. And also with this, I open the box. It gives you the option of having the canvas hood down or up. You can swap it over as you wish. You don't glue it on, you can just swap it over, which they don't give you that option in the later version. It's just the hood down and that's it. So they've done away with that as well. So there are probably reasons for that, probably financial, saves on materials, and if you want extra figures then you have to buy extra figures. And it's exactly the same with the schwimmwagen. The schwimmwagen is exactly the same. Sorry, I'm juggling boxes around here. There you see, you get an officer, driver, and a passenger, which you don't get in the later version. And it's also the same as the schwimmwagen. You can have the hood up or down. It gives you the option in this box. So it's just something I noticed. And see, if you want the extra figures, then you've got to go and buy them. There's the the schwimmwagen. So there's the extra figures for it, which I had here, so there's no problem. But yeah, it's interesting to see how these models develop over time. It's interesting. And I wonder, actually, I'm going to have a look online in a little bit. Our Willys Jeep just has the driver. I'm going to see if I can find an older version of a Willys Jeep and just see whether you get crew figures with it, because I now have to buy, if I want passengers and extra crew, I have to buy them separately. So I'm interested to see if I find a older version of a Tamiya Willys Jeep, whether you got crew figures with it. See whether it's a thing they've done with all models. They've done away with crew figures. Obviously, I suppose to make you buy them separate, because it's more schmutter, isn't it? It's more schmutter. So yeah, just something interesting I noticed with the Tamiya kits. But nice kits nonetheless, and I'm chuffed a bit, so I don't want to get around to doing them, I'm sure. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Just something very quickly I noticed today, it crossed my mind. Where's those other kits? Let's have a look and compare them, and yeah, you can see a difference. That's how things change over time. So I'm gonna watch a video now on tank battles of World War II, because I was watching a video earlier by Gavin Booth, and he's making a T-28 tank in 1/72 scale, and he was saying there's not much information on the internet about T-28 tanks, so I'm going to see if I've got anything on my videos. So anyway, yeah, I'm rambling now. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I will answer all your comments if you leave any, so catch you on the next one.